I'm retired Lieutenant Sean Arthur, now a public safety specialist with Constant Technologies. Today we're in Miami Beach to explore the Miami Beach Police Department's Real-Time Intelligence Center. Constant Technologies partnered with Miami Beach PD to design and integrate their Real-Time Intelligence Center, boosting situational awareness, operational efficiency, and public safety. Welcome to this edition of the Constant Edge.
I'm Lieutenant Raymond Diaz, and I'd like to welcome you to the City of Miami Beach Police Department's Real-Time Intelligence Center, our department's Data Fusion Center, providing real-time intelligence to our patrol officers out on the streets and our investigators. The center officially opened March 10th of 2025, right in the height of spring break in Miami Beach. The role of the Real-Time Intelligence Center and its intelligence specialists are to provide that integral support of data to our operators out on the streets and to our investigators in the Criminal Investigations Division. The purpose of the Real-Time Intelligence Center is to act like a fusion center. We're combining all the different sensors our city has: CCTV cameras, license plate readers, drone first responder, marine radar, and bringing all that data into one central point so we're able to provide that information to our officers out on the streets and our investigators in the building. Currently, our hours are from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday through Friday. Also, whenever we do have a major event, we do staff up utilizing overtime for the weekends.
We've got more than 800 cameras throughout the city. That number is growing dramatically. We've got more than almost 2,000 camera views throughout the city. And so it really allows our police officers responding calls of service to have better situational awareness, have information fed to them quickly, directly, without any filters or delay. It made a huge difference to the way we do policing in this city.
The Real-Time Intelligence Center has been a positive in the police operations because it provides a virtual backup for the police officer. Imagine this. Before the Real-Time Intelligence Center, a police officer will receive a call on the radio, and all you have is the information being provided to you by the dispatcher who's receiving that from a 911 caller. Now, in the era of the Real-Time Intelligence Center, we're actually able to have an intelligence specialist be able to provide a real view so the officer is able to respond more efficiently and more safely. Also, it is a leverage for the public because now we have the ability to monitor incidents in real time and to ensure that we catch these problems before they develop into something bigger. A perfect example of where the Real-Time Intelligence Center really was able to come together was an incident that occurred of an aggravated battery in progress, 14th and Ocean Drive. Immediately, my intelligence specialists were able to utilize our CCTV in the area to be able to provide a first look as officers responded. As officers gained control of the scene, we're able to utilize the playback features on our CCTV to identify a suspect that had fled the area just prior to the arrival of law enforcement officers. Keep in mind, this is a busy special event city, so traffic is packed. So we're able to then deploy the drone and be able to fly overhead, and we actually successfully located the suspect almost 4 blocks away, directed law enforcement officers, and we successfully apprehended the individual. So not only did we provide that first look for patrol officers, but we're able to provide evidentiary video to help build their case stronger. Advice I would give to any agency that wants to establish their own real-time intelligence center is first work on building the infrastructure. You want to be able to build your CCTV network. You want to build your license plate reader and be able to build that smart network. Once you have that smart network, then you need to get together and be able to build that nexus. When we started our Real-Time Intelligence Center in 2014, we started off with 25 cameras, 4 license plate readers, and a cubicle. And we slowly expanded our program to where we are today. Over 850 cameras, 32 license plate readers, and now our Real-Time Intelligence Center. Some of the major lessons that we've learned while implementing a Real-Time Intelligence Center is first look into what is your mission, what is your end goal. For us, we wanted to be able to leverage what we had in our city, all our sensors, all our data, and be able to make it actionable.
I am immensely proud of what we've produced. It has really exceeded all my expectations, quite frankly. And we're seeing real results. We're keeping people here in the city much, much safer, I think, than they've ever been before. And I'm excited about the future.
Thank you for joining us for an inside look at the Miami Beach Police Department's Real-Time Intelligence Center, brought to life by Constant Technologies. At Constant, our team of designers, engineers, project managers, and installers work diligently to ensure each center we deliver meets the highest standards of performance, reliability, and innovation. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and see you in the next edition of The Constant Edge.